Hi guys, good morning. I hope everyone are doing fine. I am Ravi Kiran. Welcome back to my channel. And today I am back with another bike, the Hero Pleasure Plus, which is really meant for girls to drive. So in this video, I am going to tell you each and every bit of this vehicle, like the features, the ride comfort, fuel economy and price. So each and everything will be addressed in this video. And those are watching my videos for the first time, please click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you will get my updates immediately when I upload a video. So without getting late, let's get into the video. And this is the all new Hero Pleasure Plus 110cc, which has 8.1 PS power at 8.7 Newton meters of torque. And let's start about with the features. So coming to the front section, you got a halogen bulb on the front. Accessories are not installed on this. Basically this is a brand new bike. The showroom has just sent me to review this vehicle, so accessories can be installed, and I will also tell you what are the accessories you will get. So let's start up with the front features. As I told, this bike gets halogen headlamp with bulb touch signals, redesigned front structure. And coming to the front wheels, you got both 10-inch wheels as well as coil loaded spring suspension on the front as well as back, so you don't get any telescopic suspension on the front. And this bike is mainly powered with programmed fuel injection, as all the BS6 vehicles has programmed fuel injection. This bike also has programmed fuel injection, which Hero calls it as Xsense fuel injection technology. And coming to the leg space, there is a decent amount of place. There is not too high, but you can manage without any problem. And coming to the rear section, you got rear muffler. Actually the muffler cover is not installed. As I said, the accessories are not installed. And let me tell you what are the accessories you can install on this vehicle. Basically you can get a floorboard, a muffler cover and full body roll cage, as well as ladies footrest over the left side. Coming to the fuel tank, this bike has 4.8 liters of fuel tank, which can give you a fuel economy of 50 kilometers per liter. And the mileage also mainly depends upon your riding skills, so mileage can alter, depends on your riding style. And coming to the center instrumentation console, you got speedometer, odometer and fuel gauge. And basically this bike few kind of sensors, like side stand indicator, like now the side stand is kept on, and if I just turn on it, the side stand indicator glows like this. And you also got engine malfunction symbol, which means if this bike get any problem, the light automatically turns on and it will let you know that this bike has some kind of problem. And major thing I have to say, this bike has bank angle sensor. That means if the bike suddenly falls down, the fuel automatically cuts off and engine turns off. So this is one of the major safest feature that has been given on this vehicle. We tell you one more thing, this bike has all weather start system, which means this bike can start in any weather condition, like in wet conditions, or else you can start this weather in cold conditions without any problem. This will show you the under seat boot space. So basically you can't open the rear seat from the front, so you need to keep the key at the back and turn it. And this is how much the place is. Let me take off this accessories. A half face helmet can be kept easily without any problem. And I tell you, this is a LX variant. Basically this bike has two variants, LX and VX. So VX gets a glove box here, which has a USB support inside the box. So basically this is LX model, the basic version. You don't get any USB charging socket. Let me start the engine once. Let's see how the refinement level is. Oh, the refinement level is very smooth. So accessories are not added. You will get mirrors, all this kind of accessories when you buy this vehicle. And let's go for a test ride. So let's see how this bike performs. So now we will be testing the ride comfort, brakes and as well as suspension. So coming to the ride suspension, the suspension is very soft at the rear, and you can find little bit harder on the front because this bike has both spring loaded hydraulic suspension, so you don't get any telescopic suspension in the front. So that's why you can feel little amount of hardness in the front section. And coming to the brakes are pretty good, actually give you some kind of confidence while you are riding. So overall I can say the brakes are very good. Basically you got two models on this, LX and VX. So VX will get alloy wheels, and it reduces some amount of body weight. Its weight the bike weight is 104 kgs, which is very light, and it's easy to move around. You can easily cruise at city speeds at a speed of 40 to 60 without any problem. And coming to its pricing, this bike is priced at rupees 77,000 for the LX variant and 79,000 for the VX variant, and VX variant includes alloy wheels. And these prices are on-road prices, so on-road prices will be changed depending upon your place to place. So if you want to get the exact on-road details, you can contact the showroom. I will leave the showroom details below. You can contact them for best deals. So this is all about the Hero Pleasure. So ladies can easily go for this vehicle. So this vehicle is mainly made for you, so you can buy this vehicle without any problem. And those are watching my videos for the first time, please click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you will get my updates immediately when I upload a video. And if you want to talk to me, you can message me on Instagram. Please feel free to ask any questions. If you have any doubts regarding this vehicle, you can message me. I'll try to give you a reply. So see you in another video. Until then, I'm Ravi Kiran signing off.